To create a dual-side electronic text, we need to first go to this design in Thingiverse that I put the link below. Before downloading, I recommend reading the description of file. Now, in the Files section, we select Download all files, then extract the zip. After extracting, open OpenSCAD. OpenSCAD is available on all OSs, I put the link below. After opening, choose the file Dual Multiletter Blocks v3.03 and open it. On the left, press Ctrl F and type string to find the variables string1 and string2. You can change these to the words you want. It'll work with all length of words, but I recommend similar length for the best result. And you can switch the words to try the best combination. You can render the model by clicking this button and export STL by clicking this. While slicing, add supports for overhangs and send the G-code to your printer.